Are you tired of people not hearing your lovely poetry? You wrote it for the boys. Isn't it about time they heard your soul's deepest outpourings of metaphor and emotion? Well, Media Services can help. If you're looking for sound equipment, look no further. Media Services has two types of speaker systems to suit your egregious volume deficit. Yeah, we're talking about your vocal cords. Deal with it. The first type of sound system is the GoSpeak. It may look like a laptop, but trust us, it's probably not. We think. The GoSpeaks are easy to set up. Simply open the case, plug in the power cord, and turn it on. One of the GoSpeak systems comes with a wireless lavalier microphone, so you can reenact the most emotional passages of your own odyssey without getting tangled in pesky XLR cords. Just make sure to plug it in. If you're looking for something with a bit more oomph, try our StagePass sound systems. Ideal for larger groups of people, these sound systems pump out a lot of sound. The StagePasses are also fairly easy to set up. Take speaker cable 1 and plug it into the right speaker input and the back of the right speaker. Do the same thing with speaker cable 2 for the left speaker. Next, plug the power cable into the input on the control panel and a wall outlet. Make sure the main volume is turned down and turn the system on with the power switch on the control panel. Green lights mean the system is working. If you're using microphones, plug the XLR cables into any of the inputs on the control box. If you're using an iPod, plug the included iPod cable into your iPod and match up the red and white plugs with the red and white inputs on the far right side of the control box. The master volume knob controls the overall sound output, but every input has its own volume controls. Turn these knobs up or down to control the individual output levels. Do not turn the volume up past a reasonable level. If the speakers are blown, you will have to pay for it. With the sound options at Media Services, you should be well on your way to wooing the world with your wonderful words. But seriously, you have to plug it in.